Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we're going to cover how to add a carousel in Squarespace. Are you looking to make your Squarespace site more visually appealing and engaging? Adding a carousel is an excellent way to showcase a series of stunning images, creating a dynamic and interactive experience for your visitors. Whether you want to highlight your portfolio, display product images, or simply add some visual flair to your site, a carousel can truly elevate the aesthetic appeal of your webpage. So let's dive into the process of adding a carousel to your Squarespace site in a few easy-to-follow steps. To get started on this journey, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the Squarespace website. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you've logged in, you'll see the Get Started button prominently displayed. Click on it to access your dashboard, which is essentially the hub where you can manage and customize everything related to your Squarespace website. Now that you're in the dashboard, the next step is to locate the page where you want to add your carousel. This is a critical decision, as the placement of your carousel can significantly impact how users interact with your content. To do this, click on Website, and then navigate to Pages. This action will display a comprehensive list of all the pages that are part of your site. Find the specific page where you envision your carousel and select it. With your chosen page open, it's time to enter the editing mode. This is where the magic happens. Click on Edit to unlock an interactive. Customize the page to your heart's content. In this space, you'll be able to add new elements, modify existing ones, and truly make the page your own. The next step involves adding a new section specifically for your carousel. To do this, click on Add Section and then select Image. This option will present you with a variety of layout choices. Take your time to browse through these options and select the one that aligns best with your site's overall design and functionality needs. Remember, the layout you choose will set the tone for how your carousel looks and feels. Once you've selected a layout, click on Edit Section. This step is crucial as it allows you to make further customizations to your carousel. You can adjust various elements such as spacing, the number of images that will cycle through, and so on. This customization ensures that your carousel is not just a visual attraction, but also a functional feature that complements your site's design. After customizing the section, it's time for the fun part: adding images to your carousel. Click on Edit Gallery to start uploading the photos you wish to display. Choose images that capture the essence of your message or theme. High-quality images are recommended, as they lend a professional touch and make your carousel stand out. Finally, after you're satisfied with the way your carousel looks and functions, it's crucial to save your work. Click Save to apply all the changes you've made. This final step ensures that your beautiful new carousel is live and ready for your visitors to admire. Before moving on, take a moment to preview the page. This will help you verify that everything is functioning as planned and that the carousel enhances your site's aesthetics as you intended. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a carousel to your Squarespace site. This feature is not only straightforward to implement, but can also dramatically enhance the visual appeal and interactivity of your website. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to add a carousel in Squarespace quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to add a carousel in Squarespace, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.